In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos on Telegram using your PC, laptop, or the web version. First, let's quickly talk about what you'll need. Make sure you're signed in to your Telegram account, either through the desktop app or Telegram web in your browser. As long as you're logged in and can see your chats, you're ready to go. Let's start with the desktop app on your PC or laptop. Open the Telegram desktop application and go to the chat or channel where the video is located. This could be a private chat, a group, or a public channel. Scroll through the conversation until you find the video you want to download. You'll usually recognize it by the video thumbnail and the play button. Hover your mouse over the video. In most cases, Telegram starts downloading the video automatically as soon as it appears in the chat, and you'll see a circular progress indicator on the thumbnail. Wait for that to complete. Once the download is finished, you can click the video to play it inside Telegram and confirm it's the right file. To save it onto your computer, look for the three dots or the small menu icon near the video, or simply right-click on the video. In the menu that appears, choose the option that says something like Save Video As or Save File. A File Explorer window will pop up. Here, you can choose the folder where you want to store the video, such as your Downloads folder or a specific media folder you've created. Give the file a clear name if you want to rename it. Then click Save. The video is now stored on your computer and can be opened with any media player. Now, let's walk through the same process using Telegram web in your browser. Open your browser. Go to the official Telegram web page and log in if you haven't already. Navigate to the chat or channel that contains the video you want. Just like before, find the video thumbnail in the conversation. Click on it once to start loading or playing it. On Telegram web, you'll usually see a small download icon, often in the top corner of the video player or next to the file name. Click that download icon. Your browser will either automatically save the file to your default downloads folder, or it will ask you where to save it. If it asks, choose your preferred location and confirm. After the download finishes, open the folder you saved it to and double-check that the video plays correctly. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily download videos from Telegram on your PC, laptop, or directly from the web version.